All right, what's up, guys? I got an interesting one for you today. So I was working today, and I went and I heard something outside, and we were supposed to have some dude come to do the get us better internet put in today, and he had to come, play around with the boxes and the wires and everything. So I figured, maybe it's him at the door or whatever. I should go down to the garage. So. Because that's how he was going to have to come in. So I come down here, and this is like earlier today. It's the afternoon now. And if you guys know, it's been raining in Pittsburgh. It's been nasty out, raining. The ground is saturated. It's pretty bad. A lot of water, right? And so I figured I open the door and look outside, and see if he was here. And I looked out, and I saw this. So let me show you what I saw. Okay, so yeah, this is Helen's car, and I don't think the video is doing it justice because this is like a lot of rocks and shit. Yeah, and this all fell against her car. That literally, I'm not even joking. I just got this inspected yesterday. I was just at Green Apple. They always do such a great job. Check that out. That's all good. Had to get the exhaust put on, so I got the new exhaust put on here, painted it and everything. It's hanging a little bit low, but what are you gonna do? And yeah, luckily, I mean, it has impacted the car there. I haven't moved it out yet, but you can see the white there, and the wheel is like hit and all against the kind of the edge of the door and everything. Yeah, so it's not good. I mean, if you look at it here, I think that gives it a better view. There's a lot of rocks there. I'm trying to give you a view of how many rocks and what it is, but yeah, not good. I am very happy that it was not the WRX or the BRZ, which is, by the way, Nick always says, "Where's your car at?" He's like, "Where do you store it at?" It's stored right there, dude. See? Right there. Yeah, so I'm gonna start cleaning this up because I at least have to get these rocks out of the way and then figure out if there's. I know there's not damage to Helen's car, but there's probably some scrapes and stuff. I don't want to see if I can buff it out or what we're dealing with here. And I want to see the condition of that wheel because that took the brunt of the hit. Really, I mean, it's not damaged. It's like totally drivable. It just needs to I need to dig this out before I try moving the car. Is what I'm saying. So I dug it out, and there's the wall, or what's left of it. Yeah, and also, worse off, this wall looks damaged to me. It doesn't look straight to me. It looks like it's bowing a good bit, and also, part of this top section is missing, probably from the shift of all this shifting this way. So, yeah, that's real good. So I want to figure out, I mean, we rent this place, so I'm trying to figure out what's he gonna, you got to rebuild this or something because this shit's going to fall down, and like the BRZ's in there, and I don't want to fall, this is just I don't know, man, this whole thing's falling apart. Damage report on the car. Luckily, I was going to repaint these wheels anyhow, so I mean, there's some scuffs here, and I'm going to get that out. Luckily, this is not damaged. There's a nice ding here, which kind of sucks. A couple scrapes here. I got to get the mud off it to even see what I'm working with here. We've got a bunch of scrapes down here, but honestly, this car was hit here 2 years ago. You can see some scratches and shit here. But yeah, this is all hit. Honestly, it's not that big of a deal, and I can probably buff a lot of this out. It's not gonna look great, but could have been worse. Could have been this whole fucking side panel caved in. But yeah, that's today's adventure in everything is falling apart at this place. So didn't expect to wake up to this one. Well, not wake up. This happened in the morning, but you can see it's been raining. You can see all the rain and nastiness that has been going on here from Pittsburgh being soggy and wet. And I think this wall just kind of gave way. Obviously that was the highest part of the wall. It kind of used to go up to about, I don't know, about here. So not that I have the BRZ out or anything yet, but I got to get this taken care of before I get that out, because all this shit's in the way now. And it's not a big deal, you just move it, but like, got to do something about like that one right there, that big piece right there. That's a heavy one, and something needs done with this. And then getting all the mud and the dirt back in there, and yeah, so updates on that maybe when it's done. So peace out, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I will talk to you guys later. See ya.